Hello, this is Amber Wood and welcome to my video. Today we are doing a fall look and Thanksgiving art. Art. You know I love to do a little decor on the eyeballs. So I've already done kind of my basics that I've got on my face. Foundation, powder, concealer, blush, bronzer, and a little bit of mascara. But other than that, we're gonna go ahead and do some decor. So I'm gonna start with kind of just a fall look that you can use for any time, and then if you wanna take it that extra step, if you just wanna be extra, as I always do, then you can continue with the artwork that I'm gonna be adding on. So I'm gonna do some fall and a little turkey, a little Thanksgiving action, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. Now, if you have not done so yet, make sure you subscribe below and do it today. Thank you. You guys, thanks for tuning in. It's been a busy fall so far. I had all kinds of fun for Halloween, and then I did a little Christmas action for the Nutcracker Market, and now I'm kind of going back to the fall. I was like, I haven't even done a fall look. I already did a Christmas look, and now I need a fall look, so I gotta do a fall look. So here we go. I'm going to start with a little tape action. This is one of those little protector guys that you put under the eye to catch any crazy that you might have fallout, but then it also gives you a nice sharp line, which I do enjoy for some of my looks. So we're going to start with a little color pop. You had me at hello, just to get some transition backdrop for our look. Little transition. We're gonna do it on the other side too, but this side is gonna look different than the other guy. So I'm not gonna do the actual makeup look over here. I'm gonna do it here. This one's gonna be different, but we'll start the same. Okay. Moving on. I started with kind of just a really light, what is this one called? 2 Ps. It was just a very light, I started with that guy. You can see I'm already hitting pan. I use that one a lot. And then I'm just gonna go a little bit darker over here. They have another little orangey guy down here. It's a little darker. It's called Pulling Strings. So we're gonna do that one next. Just kind of in the crease. So what does everybody do for Thanksgiving? We are going to Jeffree Star Androgyny palette. There's a lovely kind of army green, which they call military, right there. It's lovely. I'm gonna use that one next. With my family, we just kind of all get together at somebody's house, eat, drink, be merry. Oh wait, that's Christmas. But we are merry. I'm just kind of covering the whole lid here. Ooh, there is a bit of fallout. I didn't dust it as much as I should have, so that probably didn't help. So what I like to do, ooh, dropping things. I like to go back to the first color just to kind of help blend that together. So back to the Color Me Pop, the very first color, and just kind of go back to help blend that together with the new color. Ooh, lovely, lovely. Now I wanted to do like a copper color. Oh, there's one in here. It's called Deja Vu. Little copper color. Now remember, if you don't have these exact palettes, you don't have to run out and buy them. Now, the Color Me Pop's actually pretty cost effective. They're not real expensive. I think this one's like $16 or $18, and I recommend it to like my friends and family all the time because I use it all the time. This one's a little bit more pricey. It's in the $40 range, but it's got great colors in it. Nice neutrals, nice shimmers. There's only 2 shimmers, but it's got some nice pops of color. I enjoy it. Okay, so I was gonna use the copper. I'm gonna use a nice flat kind of packer brush and just kind of put it on the inside. Now, if you wanted to do cut crease, you can, but I feel like this one's thick enough that I can kind of make it look like that without actually having to use the concealer and all of that good stuff. Now, if you wanted to do that, I do have an easy cut crease video that you can watch. Boop, put it there. Cut creases are so nice. I totally do them all the time now. So I just kind of started in the inner corner, and I used the edge of this brush to kind of make that curve. And I did it up above my crease because my eye is really small. Yours may not be, but mine is. So I have to kind of go up above it to make it look right. So it's just kind of how it goes, So I do have a drawing, you guys, that I did of my look, which I'll show you guys at the end to see if it actually worked out. I'm doing a gold now in the inner corner, a little gold highlight, and we'll do it up under the brow as well. Okay, for my darker green that I was going to use, this one is actually a little single guy that I ordered from Makeup Geek. And if you get a bunch of singles like this, you guys, you can buy, I bought mine on Amazon, this super cute little palette that's magnetic. So I put all of my singles in there when I buy them. I don't have a whole lot, but I just kind of put them in there and it just sticks in there wherever you want to go. So I found this one on Amazon. If you guys like it, I'll put the link down below. But it's super cute. And I had a bunch of them, but obviously I wanted something fun. It's kind of iridescent and like animal print kind of skin, but not really. But I thought it was so cute. Anyway, this green is called Secret Garden. Like I said, it's from Makeup Geek. And so I'm going to use that one to kind of define out here, and we're going to kind of blend some of this together. So you've got to be careful. I'm a little worried now because it's getting a little muddy. I need probably a different brush to make it more defined, I think, with the color. I'm a little worried because I can't really see the color. It just looks like mud. See if I can get some of that color to pull through. Just kind of packing it on, and then I'll go back and kind of blend the edges. Because I was worried you couldn't really see the green. Now it's kind of starting to come through. Because this green is really pretty. Let me get some more of that military green to kind of blend the middle of this. I need like a clean blending brush. What I'm trying to do is get like a nice like the colors, you know, across, but blending together, which I think I kind of got. Get a little white makeup wipe. Okay, so let me do my under eye. Do a little short stubby with some orange, I think. And then we'll go back with that dark green, the Makeup Geek green. Oh, geez. Got it right in my eye. Q-tip! Q-tip! I want to emphasize that copper a little bit more. And the gold. If you don't have these exact palettes, you know, you may have some with similar colors. Just kind of use what you've got. So here's that fall look. I'm going to go ahead and finish it off with some eyeliner. I already have mascara on. Okay, so I'm going to use a green eyeliner. This is Fenty Beauty. I haven't used this one in a while, but I love it. It's one of those that after you put it on and it dries, you can touch it and then it'll, like glitter will come up out of it, and it's really cool. And they have a few different colors from this line. So it's kind of a dark green, so it kind of looks almost black, but not really. While it's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and put my lipstick on. This is a Kylie. This is one of my favorite fall colors. It's called Shook, and it is a velvet. And she has both matte and velvets. Look at that. That is a cute look. Oh, I need to do this brow. Let me do this brow and I'll come right back. Eyebrows are done. So what I did is I used this little brow pomade. It's by Allure. See if you can see that. Allure. I think I got it in like a BoxyCharm or something like that, but it's a lovely brow pomade. All I did was use kind of a little angled brush and just get it on up in there. And I did do it to both brows because what I'm doing on this side, I'm just going to add to it. So I'm just going to add a little glitter just to kind of give it a little something, something. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glitter glue right here on top of that gold and then add some gold glitter just to give it a little bling. Oh, look at that. And then we'll do an eyelash. So the eyelashes we're going to do today, they are by Lashaholic. I also got these in a BoxyCharm. They're really... Dropped one. Nice. Nice presentation, Amber. Let's see if we can get it back in there for the present. Ooh. Oh. Well, I already took it off. So, because I was trying to get it ready. But anyways, let me go ahead and put those on and then we'll start the art. Start the art. But this is a good look. So you could wear this like for Thanksgiving. Well, not this blank. But you could wear this for Thanksgiving or just kind of anytime during the fall, you know, sweater weather. Ooh, eyelash. Ooh, ooh. All right, so this is the look. I'm going to do the other eye different in just a sec, but I'm loving this. Like, I will probably do this on Thanksgiving. This is so pretty. I really like that green, that secret garden green. It's really pretty. So what do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you? Do you? Do you? Do you? Do you? All right. Now, I'm going to add some fun stuff to it. So if you want to take it extra, stay tuned. But stay tuned anyway so you can see what it's going to be. Okay, so look at this eyeliner. So when you touch it, it releases the glitter. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it is so cool how that does that. It's really cute.